Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to create alternative Gmail account. Creating an alternative Gmail account is useful for separating personal, work, or online activities. It helps you manage emails more efficiently and keep your main inbox organized. This guide will walk you through creating a new Gmail account on your mobile device. To begin, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Add another account. Choose Google from the list of account types. Tap Create account. Choose for myself or another option if needed. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Enter your birth date and gender, then tap Next. Choose a suggested Gmail address or create your own. Tap Next after selecting your email address. Create a strong password and confirm it if needed. Tap Next, then tap Next again. Scroll down and review Google's privacy and terms, then tap I agree. Wait for the account to be created, and your new Gmail account is ready to use. You can easily switch between multiple Gmail accounts from the profile icon inside the app. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.